Now we are going to look into how to do a Hello World application. From the Hello World application, in the previous video, we did the installation and we created a folder for our demo. Let's see how we can do a basic programming with our shell. So if we are doing something with our shell, first we can make sure we have our Python in place. Okay, it's there. So we just type Python and we go to the Python shell. This three arrow means it's inside the Python shell. So we just do a small area calculator. We create a variable for a length and width, and we are taking the total, which is length multiplied by width. Then get the value of total, which is 56. So we can so in a practical scenario, we won't be using the shell. Instead of, we should say have the code in a file, right? So we'll see how we can do this in the VS Code. Just now, VS Code is a platform, right? Common platform. So to make it Python friendly, to ready for Python, we need to what we need to do is we need to go for extensions and we need to install this Python extension. Now, since I've already installed it, it's not showing to install. Otherwise, there will be an install button. You can install it. After installing it, what you need to do is we need to go to Viv command palette. Here, you need to type um, Python select interpreter. So you need to select the Python, the version that we are going to interpret. So once these two are completed, then only we can successfully run the Python. So we'll create area.py. So it should be py for Python. So once we created that, we'll write the more or less the same code to keep it consistent. So length equals 7, width equal 8, and total equal length and 8, width is total. Here, now do you think there will be an output? Let's run and see. Yes, it's run, but there's no output. So to get an output, what you need to do is actually you need to print it. You need to print it. Now if you run it, you can see the answer is displayed. So now we know how to run a basic Hello World program. Moving forward, all the demo files, we will not use the shell, but we will use this files instead, the script files. That's it for this video.